My time at the Carter Woodson Institute is setting me up for success because of the exposure to different disciplinary ways to look at race. The last year of work on my dissertation is very solitary work. A fellowship like the Woodson takes me out of that bubble and puts me in front of other scholars to think about the questions that I'm asking in a broader context, to use new theories to think about these things. It pushes me to improve my dissertation, which will improve the book that comes out of the dissertation. Each fellow has the opportunity once a year to workshop a paper that they're working on. And workshopping means that each of the fellows, plus Dr. McDowell, plus an outside interlocutor have been invited to the Woodson. And we all read the same piece of scholarship, we all sit around the table, and everyone critiques that work, strengthening the argument, making it a clearer piece of writing, improving it overall. The work of the Woodson Institute is not just important for the UVA community or the academic community, it's important work for our country, for our nation, to grapple with race. At the end of the day, that's what the Woodson Institute helps us as scholars do. It's improve how we think about race and how we talk about race in our work, how we use the concept of race in our work.